most profitable application of artificial intelligence lies in its fusion with content creation. In this category, my team and I will journey with you through the AI multiverse. To harness the power of AI, some of the modules will require a paid subscription. I suggest you take advantage of the free trials to apply what you've learned. As you delve deeper into this category's content, we will transition from what I term as third-party AI websites to pure Stable Diffusion. The Stable Diffusion Masterclass stands as the pinnacle of AI content creation learning worldwide. The lessons you'll encounter in this category are unparalleled and unique, unlike anything else on this planet.
Hi, I'm your AI guidance professor Despite. I will also rock up from time to time to show you my personal AI workflows.
Students, my team, and I persistently push through the boundaries in the realm of AI-driven content creation.